All right, guys, we got one of those swinging targets out there. We're gonna hit it with a big old 45 slug and see what it can do. See if we can actually make contact with this thing. Here we go. All right, let's see if we can find it. Got it on the first shot, but man, that thing exploded. It looks like we got the lock off, so that's a good thing. Let's see if we can find it. There's pieces everywhere, so kind of just walk around and pick up a few pieces. But looks like that 45 did the trick. We didn't need that key. So let's see. Yeah, pieces everywhere. Let me look around for a minute, see if I can find it, and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys. So that's pretty much all I could find of this thing. Did some pretty good damage. I shot one a while back with the 357 SIG and didn't do near as much damage, but definitely got that lock off. So if you ever got something locked up with one of those, you know, the good old 45 will do the trick. But look at that thing, broke it right in half. But it's a lot of energy going to that thing. There we go, 45 ACP, tearing up one of them swinging targets.